Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how I make alfredo from scratch, kind of like a Cajun style. Yeah, so just keep on watching if you want to see how to make this. So I already went ahead and made my pasta. We're going to go ahead and pour that out and rinse off all of the starch. We're going to keep that set to the side while we go ahead and make the alfredo sauce, and yeah. So I have some frozen peppers that I'm going to just go ahead and pop in the skillet, and then I'm going to put some Cajun seasoning on top of that to give it some flavor. I'm going to go ahead and add some black pepper. And then I'm going to add some garlic. I love garlic. And I'm also going to be adding in some basil. So once I have my peppers all seasoned up, I'm going to go ahead and add in my sausages to get that cooked up. And I also decided that I was going to go ahead and add in some more garlic. This is the canned garlic. I feel like that has more flavor, so I went ahead and added that as well. So really you want to just start tasting things and just kind of adding in seasonings as you go. If you want more garlic, if you want more salt and more pepper, you know, just do it to your liking. Throughout the video I did add more of what I felt needed to be added. So now we're going to be moving on to the alfredo sauce. So you're going to start with some heavy whipping cream. You kind of go little by little. So I'm going to start pouring in a little bit of cream right here. And I'm gonna go ahead and add my seasonings, a little black pepper, you know, just whatever you want to add basically. And I'm gonna go ahead and take that Parmesan cheese little by little, and I'm going to stir that in also with the butter. So with this sauce, you pretty much just want to keep stirring. Stir, stir, stir. Don't go away from it because it's going to thicken up or burn. So just keep stirring it to keep it nice and creamy, and slowly add more cheese and then add more cream and just stir, 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 stir. Basically, you just keep stirring. Keep stirring and keep adding. That's it. And then keep adding your seasonings. So stir. Stir. So now you just want to go ahead and add in your pepper and sausage to the alfredo mix. And that's pretty much it. After you add that in, you go ahead and add in your noodles and mix everything together. And you guys, this is what it looks like after everything is mixed together, and this is what it looks like when it's plated. Sorry I didn't make it all pretty or anything, but I mean, it tastes good, so does that make up for it? Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.